Ituura ria MITAHATO nirigite nundu wa mwanya uria uraguciriria andu aingi na mugaru na uria andu magucagiririo ni guciririo cia ugendi kundu gwa kuhuruka kana biashara. Andu mwena uyu maraguciririo ni muingi wa itura riri hari kwaria ruthiomi rwa KIBARANJA.
And Kenya is already very renowned tourist destination. This will create more awareness by people who are coming to visit Kenya. Already in this village we have been receiving a lot of people from France and other French-speaking countries.
Buru uria niwe wambiriirie guthomithia muingi ruthiomi ruru itura-ini riri ria MITAHATO ni atugiritio ni thirikari ya Faranja na kuria hetwo nguga ni kio giake hari guteithiriria muingi kumenya ruthiomi ruru.
Narudi hapa MITAHATO, kijiji MITAHATO. Leo ni sherehe kwa Bwana Chris Mburu. Chris ni mtu wa ardhi. And we're here to distinguish his outstanding merits, and that's what the French government has decided to knight him because of the work he's been doing in promoting the French language.
Baruthi wa Faranja guku bururi-ini Arnold Squet niwe uratongoririe igongona riri itura-ini ria MITAHATO akiuga kugerera mubango uyu makiria ma Kenya 40,000 ni mathomete ruthiomi ruru guku bururi-ini na kuria makiria ma arutani 500 ni marathomithia ruthiomi ruru guku bururi-ini.
We have about 40,000 Kenyans that are learning French. We have more than 500 teachers all across the country. And, you know, in a lot of universities, I was in Maseno University near Kisumu, you know, there's a department of French language. I go to Mombasa, I see the drive and the want for young people to learn foreign language, including French.
Mwena-ini wake Chris Buru wirutiri wake guthomithia muingi wa itura riri ruthiomi ruru umanire na giko kia mutumia wa wendi mwega kuma bururi wa Ngeretha uria muthomithirie thutha wa mamu wao kuhuruka. Undu uria wa muguciriiri kwambiriria library ya KIBARANJA kuria andu mathomaga hatari marihi.
The children should be more competitive on the job market. Now teaching them a new language is going to put them in a situation where they can get more jobs in francophone countries. And a lot of us Kenyans don't realize that there are more French-speaking countries in Africa than English-speaking.
Mubango uyu ni uteithiriirie ciana amwe ao ta Ian Bogwa wa miaka 12 agithie gucera bururi wa Congo Brazzaville uthoma unduire wao.
French imeletwa shuleni na nimesaidiwa sana na huku juu kama tumefunga hao wanafunzi wengine tunaosoma na wao hawako, so mimi napata opportunity mzuri ya kulearn French na nikienda shule unapita mtihani.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Waithira WAMWANYA.